Shasta, come back over here. Oh no. Oh, now she's rubbing in something. Shasta, no. No.
Eat it. Get out of it.
Come here.
I don't even know what's there. There ain't nothing there. I don't know what's holding.
Say, what's going on?
No.
Say, your feet are all wet, and they look like little piggy feet, huh? Hey, sweetie, I love you. What's up? Say, what's up, huh? It's so pretty over here. I wanted to get a shot of you right there under that big... Yeah. What's going on? Hi, Precious. Say hello. Oh, she's like, I need to lay down for a minute. So much running.